Vehicle weight limits are regulated by the number and positioning of tires, wheels, and axles. For example, a vehicle with single tires on an axle, such as the steering axle, will be determined by which is the lesser weight limit, tire size or tire rating. The tire size and rating can be found on a truck's tires in either metric or imperial. If your tire size is measured in metric, convert the size to imperial using this equation. The tire size in millimeters divided by 25.4 equals the tire size in inches. Round the calculation to the nearest tenth. Likewise, if your tire rating is measured in metric, convert the rating to imperial using this equation. The rating in kilograms times 2.2 equals the weight rating in pounds. The distance from any one axle on the vehicle to any other axle determines the weight limitations of those axles. Measurements are taken between all combinations of axles, from the center of each axle to the center of each other axle. Once you know the tire ratings, distances of axles, and the vehicle weight, you can determine whether you are within weight limitations. Do this by first calculating the weight limit of each axle combination according to their tire size or rating, and by finding the weight limit for each axle combination on the axle weight limits chart. Then, take those weight limits and compare them to the measurements you took from weighing your vehicle to determine if you are within those limits.